Today's word is 一般, a term frequently encountered in daily conversations and written materials, especially when discussing common or broadly applicable scenarios. The word 一般 means general or ordinary. It refers to something that is common to most people or situations and is not specialized or specific. The first kanji means one or single, and it shows the idea of unity or a single item. In the word 一つ, it marks a single thing, and in 一人, it marks a single person, so you can feel the sense of one in those words. The second kanji means a kind or general type, and it suggests a broad category or widespread nature. In words like 満帆, it contributes the sense of many kinds or all sorts, and in 般若, it appears in a compound that refers to a broad concept of wisdom in Buddhism. That's a commonly considered method. それは一般に考えられる方法です。それは一般に考えられる方法です。Ordinary people visit the park. 一般の人々は公園を訪れます。一般の人々は公園を訪れます。That idea is a common opinion. その考えは一般の意見です。その考えは一般の意見です。This is a general way of thinking. これは一般的な考え方です。これは一般的な考え方です。Most common synonyms of the word 一般 are 普及 and 全体. 普及 means popular or widely spread, focusing on reaching a wide audience. 全体 means entire or whole, emphasizing completeness. Both have broader scopes than 一般, which specifically pertains to generality or ordinariness. The most common antonyms of the word 一般 are 特殊 and 例外. 特殊 means special, highlighting something unique or specific. 例外 means exception, indicating something that deviates from the norm. These contrast with 一般 by emphasizing what is distinct or not common.